Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to change Kia Forte wiper blades. First, ensure you have the correct size replacement blades, typically 24 inches for the driver's side and 18 inches for the passenger side. Also, grab a soft towel to protect your windshield. Begin by gently lifting the wiper arm away from the glass until it locks into an upright position. Now, locate the small release tab or button on the wiper arm where it connects to the blade. With the arm lifted, press the small release tab or button on the old wiper blade. This action disengages the blade from the arm's hook. Once released, carefully slide the entire old blade assembly downwards and off the J-hook or pin. Be sure to hold the wiper arm firmly so it doesn't snap back against the windshield. After removal, gently lower the bare wiper arm onto the soft towel you placed on the glass. Now take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the J-hook or pin on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade upwards onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked into position. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's firmly attached. Once both new blades are installed, carefully and slowly lower each wiper arm back down onto the windshield. Avoid letting them drop suddenly. Finally, it's time to test your newly installed wiper blades. Turn on your vehicle and activate the wipers to ensure they operate smoothly and clear the windshield effectively. Listen for any unusual noises or streaks. For optimal performance, regularly clean your windshield and the wiper blades themselves. Remember to replace your wiper blades approximately every 6 to 12 months, or sooner if you notice reduced visibility during rain.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.